50% off basil. Let's not waste it. Use it now. Wash. Stems and everything in the zhuzhi. Onions, garlic. Handful of walnuts. Generous yeast flakes. Tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. Himalayan sea salt. Smoked paprika. Black pepper. Black mustard. You can use Dijon. Mixed herbs. Extra virgin olive oil. Zhuzh it up. Mix in your pasta. I've got spaghetti and pasta shells. Well, use some in your salad. That's what I do. Drizzle it on. Oh my gosh, this tasted so nice. Mix it up. Oh my goodness. Vegan sausages, sweet corn, and of course broccoli. Time to be thankful. Leftovers for lunch, guys. And it all began with knockoff basil. See, bargain bucket, 50% off, and I've got dinner, lunch, salad out of it. Don't forget, follow me, like, subscribe. See you next time.